Hello friends, I am Jitendra Surve and in this video I am going to explain you how to export a data table in Microsoft Excel to an XML data file. XML is a short form for Extensible Markup Language File. This XML file can be used to import data in many other database programs like mySQL, Oracle, etc. So let's check out. As you can see, we have this contacts table in Microsoft Excel. We want to export this table to an XML data file for import in other database systems. To achieve this, we have to go to this developer tab. If this tab is not visible in Excel on your PC, all that you have to do is go to this file menu and select this options menu at the bottom. A dialog box will open showing all the Excel options. In this left panel, just click on this Customize ribbon option. Here on this right side under Main tab selection, you will see list of all tabs available in Excel. Make sure this developer tab is selected and press OK. Then this developer tab will become visible in your Excel. Just click on this developer tab. There are multiple sections in developer tab like this code, add-ins, controls and XML. In this XML section, click on this source button and an XML source panel will open on right side. You can resize it if you want. This panel shows any XML maps present in your workbook. But you can see that as of now, we don't have any XML maps in this workbook. Here at the bottom it says your workbook does not contain any XML maps. Click XML maps to add an XML map to this workbook. After clicking on this XML maps button, a dialog box will open for adding XML maps. If you click this add button, it will open a file selection dialog box to select an XML map. As of now, we don't have any XML map file created. We need to create one. This map file is in the form of XSD file, that is XML schema definition file. This file must be in a particular format. Instead of creating this XML map file, that is .xsd file from scratch, we will use existing sample file and edit it as per our requirement. For now, just dismiss this file selection dialog box and this XML maps dialog box. You can download sample XSD file from this Google Drive location. Link for this file is given below in description of this video. You can copy its contents and paste in Notepad and save the file as xml_map_format.xsd, or you can download it directly using this download button. Google Drive may give you this false warning that Google Drive can't scan this file for viruses. This file is executable and may harm your computer. You can ignore this warning and download it. File will be saved in your downloads folder. Just move it to your Excel file folder. Here you can see I have already done that. It is important to have .xsd extension of this file. First line in this file defines version of this XML, that is 1.0, and encoding used for this file, that is UTF-8. Root element says that this file is an XML schema file as per this standard. You don't have to edit anything of this. Then we have two sub elements. This first element, a table element. You don't have to worry about all the details inside it. Just make sure that you do not accidentally edit anything inside it. Second element is a table row. It contains list of column names in your Excel table. Only editing that you have to do in this file is change names of these columns to actual column names in your Excel file. You can add or delete these rows as per your actual table requirements. Now let's change column names as per column names in data table. Let's delete these extra rows as we don't have so many columns in our table. If you have more columns in your table, just copy paste more rows at the bottom before this access sequence statement and edit column names. That's it. Let's save and close this file. Now let's go back to our Excel file. Here again click on this XML Maps button. Then in this XML Maps dialog box, click this Add button and choose XSD file created. Click Open and a small dialog box will open saying multiple routes are present in XML Maps file. This statement says the selected XML schema contains more than one root node. Microsoft Excel can only create an XML map based on one of the root nodes and ask us to select a root. You have to choose this table root, the root of our XML map. Select table root and click OK. Again click OK on this XML Maps dialog box. Now in this XML source panel, you will see an XML map appearing in this section with all the proper column names. Ensure that these column names match with column names in your Excel data table. Now right click on this table root and select Map Elements. A small dialog box will open asking us to map XML elements. Here it says where do you want to map the XML elements. Just select all columns in your table. Here you can see a range of columns from A to E are now mapped. Click OK. Now the XML mapping of our data table is completed. Just click on Export button and provide XML file name here. For example, we will provide contacts as XML file name. Now press Export. XML file is generated in the same folder as our Excel file. Let's check its content in our text editor. Let's open Explorer window first and right click on contacts.xml. And here I will use Notepad++ to open this file. Scan through all the file and make sure all rows and columns are present in your XML file. Close this file without saving. Now you can use this XML file to input data in other database systems like mySQL, Oracle, etc. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and share this video with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get timely notifications of new video uploads in future.